If you want to add fingerprint into the nothingphone 4a, just start by opening the settings, and right now you have to go below into security and privacy settings. Next, you have to go into the device unlock, and here go for fingerprint. Now we have to input your screen password. Now click OK, and as you can see, the the fingerprint sensor is built into the display. So we have to put your finger on this by clicking setup. Now click and hold it, release, and just repeat until you fulfill these circles with a red color. So to do this, in the best way, you will have to just simply scan your finger all around, left side, right side, bottom part, top part, middle part. Additionally, you can even scan a second finger if you cannot just scan the first finger that you have used. And now we have to click done, and as you can see, that's finished.